Here are 4 easy ways to create content for your e-commerce ads. The first 3 ways that we're going to be talking about are infographics, and they pretty much work with every kind of e-commerce business out there. And then the fourth one is going to be how to get videos generated for your company. So let's get started here. The first one is called an us versus them ad. And this is an infographic where there's a line right down the center, and on one side you have your competitors' products, and then the other side you have you. And this works best for anyone that is selling a product that you know people are already buying, and your marketing objective is to get them to stop buying the competitor and to buy your own. So on the us side, you're gonna have your main 3, I usually do, bullet points of why your product is great, and then 3 bullet points from them that match up on their side that just kind of shows where they are lacking. So pretty simple, and it works really well whenever you just have to get this simple message out as the one you're buying is not as good as the one you could be buying. That's all you got to say. The second type of image that you can make is a testimonial image ad. And I want to talk about this one because all of the Canva templates for testimonials are not a good way to do it, because you actually have to be very clear with your testimonial image in order for it to work. So I've got this format for you here, and basically what you want to do is the title at the top should be in all caps and just clearly bigger text than everything else. And you're going to say the highlight of their testimonial. So find those like 2 to 4 words that best summarize the testimonial, and then also make sure that they still make sense with the ad. So you wouldn't want to be like the best product ever. You don't want to put that, because then the first thing that people read is the best product ever. They're like, I don't know what it is, right? So find part that's good, but also that it's clear about what product you're talking about, okay? So it's going to be that at the very top, and then it's going to be the product image, and then below that is going to be the full length caption, which you can trim it down to so it fits properly. And then the last element is just the name of the customer that left the review. And the reason why the name of the customer is so much smaller is because a very simple design trick to make your design, could be very simple, still look professional, is to have 3 different sizes of elements. So we have the large element, which is the headline on top with the all caps lock biggest font. And then the medium one is the full length testimonial, and then the customer's name is the small element. And then this is also going to give a clear text hierarchy, which is the reason why a lot of the Canva templates don't work well, is because their text is all over the place. And if you're reading it from top to bottom, it doesn't make sense. And that is how people are going to read your ad. So you want to make sure that it lines up and makes sense. So it's also good where you have clear text hierarchy so that people know exactly what order they should be reading it in, rather than, wait, do I read this thing on the left or the right first? It can't be all mumble jumbled, otherwise it really cuts down on the clarity of your ad. So that's why this template of testimonials is one that I would advise for you to do, and then you can make it branded however you want, but this just makes it very obvious the order as to which they should read it. The third type of image that we're going to be talking about is called the unique value offering. And this is where you're going to pinpoint something about your product that is truly unique and is your strongest selling point. And you're just going to highlight that strongest selling point in the ad. And that's it. It's that simple. So convey this as best as you can with whatever image. Maybe it does need some text, maybe it needs a lot of text, maybe it doesn't need any text, but point is to show the unique feature behind your product that single-handedly can sell the product itself. So unless you have that, then maybe you don't want to do this ad, or maybe it's a few features that comprise this, then you can showcase all of them, but that is the goal of the third ad. For the fourth ad, I'll show you guys how to get high quality product video ads, especially if you don't want to make them yourself. So of course you already know you can make video ads yourself, but I want to highlight a service that I use, because even though I do make ads myself, I still want ads from different faces out there repping my product rather than just the same one over and over. So Viral Ecom Ads is this company that I use that has really great deals, especially if you get their VIP package. But basically when you're VIP, which is $50 a month, you get to pay this rate. So you basically save your entire $50 membership on your first order. but you get the split testing packages, TikTok testing packages, and what I really like to use is their UGC platform. So basically you put out, this is who I'm looking for, these are the type of creators that I'm looking for and how much you're willing to spend, and then you get all these creators that apply, and then you can place orders with them, and then you can see the status of your delivery of them making videos for you. But this would be a good way to just have a bunch of different content creators make product videos for you without you having to go out and find these influencers and DM them and try to make it happen. If you go through a company like this, then they're going to middleman the process, but it's it's a lot safer to pay the company, and then the creator will start on the ads, and then once it's done, they'll actually get the payment. So just a better process, and then you don't have to scope all these people. So that is the fourth easy location to get creatives for your e-commerce ads. Hope this is effective. Check out the other videos on my channel too for some more tips on Facebook ads. And then if you'd like a complimentary consultation call with me, you can book that below. See you in the next video.